guys, welcome back to my tutorials, my channel. I'm not sure what I'm calling it yet, but welcome back. Today I have a Valentine's Day makeup look for you, so if you like to learn, then just keep watching. So I'm starting off with skin, which is so important because you want your skin to be nice and hydrated because it's going to make your foundation look so much better. So I'm using the spray from MAC, which is Charged Water. And I'm taking primer from Lauder. This is the Spackle primer. And one of my new drugstore favorite foundations, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige, and it's very affordable. I got mine at Walmart for $6. And I love it. It's very good coverage. It looks good on pictures. So I'm blending everything out with a beauty blender. And now I'm going to be concealing and also highlighting my under eyes, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium, and I'm also going to prime my eyelids with this, and I'm going to highlight on the bridge of the nose. And I'm just blending everything out very, very smoothly with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm going to chisel out the face. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Chisel palette. Speaking of chiseled, I'm taking the yellow shade, which is the color Enhance. I'm going to use this to set the eyelids so that they're not creasing and they're ready for eyeshadow. And I'm also going to set the rest of the face wherever I am going to highlight. This is just going to help the foundation stay longer, and it's also going to help avoid any creasing. And now I'm going to chisel out the skin and get some color back on there. So I'm using the Princess Cut color and the Angle color. Mostly the Princess Cut, and then the Angle a little bit on the hollows of the cheek to help me get more of a contoured look. But these are the colors that I'm using, which are the matte shades of the palette. And I'm going to now use blush. This is another favorite. Oh my goodness, I use all my favorites. Well, I'm not gonna use products I hate, right? These are all products I love. So this is the Milani Luminoso Baked Powder Blush. It's beautiful. It's like a peachy shade. It's so pretty. It just makes you look glowy but not shimmery. It's just stunning. So this next part is very, very important. It's a translucent powder that I love, and I like to use this under the eyes to bake because I want it to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. That way when I'm done with all the eyeshadow, I can just wipe it off and my skin, my foundation will look nice and flawless. And notice that I'm putting this bakage close to the nose. That way my nose looks slim as well. And this powder will work for any skin tone. It's completely translucent and will not flash back in photography. I'm using these three shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is another favorite of mine. But these are beautiful for transition colors, and I like to apply them on the outer crease, on the outer corner, and slowly work my way inwards. So I'm using a chocolate shade from the same palette, and I'm working this on the outer corners in round circular motions, really, really intensifying this color. So I add color, I blend. I add color, I blend. And just really focusing on the outer corners of the eyes and slowly bringing it in towards the middle of the lid, leaving the inner corner completely blank because we're going to add a shimmery eyeshadow at the end. So now I'm going in with the black shade of the palette and just doing the same repetitive thing. Just adding color, very, very nice and intense, small amounts at a time, and blending them in. Black, blending it in. Black, blending it in. And this is going to make it so that it's very easy to blend the colors, whereas if you were to put a ton and then try to blend it out, it'll be harder. So working in small steps is really going to help your makeup look nice and blended and beautiful. Okay, so now it's time for the shimmery part. This is a golden eyeshadow, and I'm applying this with a flat brush on the inner corners of the eyes towards the middle. So this is the other color that we're using on this eyeshadow look. We have the darks already, and now we have the lighter colors. And for shimmers, I love to spray my brush with the Max Charge Water or any kind of liquid you have. I mean, you can even use water. It'll still work. I've tried it, and it still works really great. And this is going to intensify that shimmer. So if you can see, there's a noticeable difference in the eyeshadow. It looks a lot more bright and pigmented, which is what's most intended for shimmery eyeshadows. And I'm just blending everything together so that it looks nice and perfect. And I'm removing the shadow guards, and we're almost finished with the look. And now time for eyeliner. So I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner, which is very affordable. I get it at Ulta. It's drugstore brand, and it works really great, and it has a matte finish. It has a really good wand. I just really like it. and I recommend it. Anyway, I don't have a very detailed tutorial on my eyeliner just because I'm going to be doing a tutorial later on. Very detailed tutorial. So I'm kind of going through this part quickly. For eyelashes, I'm using the Lilly lashes in the style Miami, which are very fluffy, beautiful, very dramatic, which is something I tend to go for a lot. I'm going to squeeze it in with my fingers, just kind of place it with my fingers. Once I have it in the perfect spot, I'm going to just kind of squeeze every little part with my tweezers so that they stay and don't move. And then I'm going back with the eyeliner, the same black liquid liner, just to kind of hide that lash band, make everything look nice and perfect. And now I'm going with a pencil eyeliner. This is black. It's the Bare Minerals Round the Clock Midnight pencil eyeliner. It is an intense cream glide eyeliner. It's waterproof, very pigmented, and I kind of just smudge it in with a small brush. I reapply, I smudge it in. I'm going to smoke it out with a pencil brush with the same brown and black eyeshadows that I used earlier. And now I'm just going to apply mascara to finish the look. I will have the name of the mascara below. I know it's from Maybelline. And now time to wipe off any fallout that fell on top of the baking. This is going to completely disappear. We're not going to have white under eyes. It's going to be translucent. And now I'm going to contour my nose. I will also have a detailed tutorial on how I love to contour my nose. So I'm kind of just going through this part a little bit quickly. Setting the skin with my charged water again from MAC. And right before it gets dry, so while it's still tacky or while it's still sticky, I'm going to apply my highlight. I tend to go for these golden highlights all the time, and I love to put those on top of my cheeks, on top of the brows, tip of the nose, and then right in the center between the eyes. I don't go all the way on top of the bridge of the nose, I just go between the eyes, and I love how it looks. So pretty. Okay, so now we're going to finish everything off with the lips. I'm going to line the lips with the Makeup Forever lip liner. This is the Aqua lip in the shade 14C. I'm going to line the lips and fill everything in, and then I'm going to apply a beautiful gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty gloss in the color Fenty Glow. They actually only have one shade right now. Hopefully they come out with more because these are very beautifully formulated. That's the entire finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now let's get to the ending part where I will talk some more. Alright, that's the entire makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something new. I hope you have a beautiful Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, comment below so I can get to know you better, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.